So I just burned through $5,000 testing AI copywriting against professional human copywriters. And honestly, the result scared me a little bit. I am not talking about same quick ChatGPT experiment. I mean real money, real campaigns, real customer clicking or not clicking. No copy written by machine versus human. And what I found is going to change how you think about copywriting in 2026. But here's the twist. The winner was not what I expected. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use AI, when to hire a human, and when to do something that almost nobody talking about yet. I am Vishal Roy, and stick with me because I am going to show you the actual data, the conversion rates, and the own surprising pattern that showed up every single test. Before we dive into the numbers, let me tell you why I even did this experiment. Back in 2021, when I was just starting out in digital marketing from my auntie's house in Chiribandor, I thought copywriting was just writing stuff that sounds good. I failed at so many campaigns because I don't understand that words either make you money or they don't. There's no middle ground. Fast forward to 2026 and now I am running Maxim Marketing. I've got clients asking me the same question every week. Should we use AI for our sales copy? And honestly, I don't have a good answer backed by real data. So I decided to find out, not with theory, not with options, with actual speed test and real money on the line. And what I discovered is that most people are asking the wrong question entirely. Here's exactly what I did. I ran 6 different campaigns across 3 niches: affiliate marketing products, SaaS tools, and e-commerce. For each campaign, I created 3 variations. Variation A, copy written entirely by AI, especially Claude, Sonnet, ChatGPT 4, and Gemini Advanced. I use the same prompts, give them the same product info, same target audience. Version B, copy written by professional human copywriters. I hired 3 different writers with 5 years plus of experience, paid them their normal rates anywhere from 300 to 800 per pieces. Variation C, here's the interesting one. This was AI copy but edited and refined by a human copywriter, kind of a hybrid approach. Each version and run for 30 days minimum, same traffic source, same budget allocation, same everything. The only difference was the copy. Total investment $5,000 split between copywriters, fees and ad spend and tools. Now, before I show you the result, I need you to understand something. This is not about AI versus human in same psychological battle. This is about ROI. This is about what actually converts. Because in business, the best copy is the best copy that makes you money, period. Quick story that's going to make sense in a minute. When I was learning mechanic work back in 2018, my boss taught me something critical. He said, Rishabh, the right tool depends on the job. Some things you need the expensive German dynastic machine, something you just need a screwdriver and your brain. I thought about that a lot during this experiment because here's what everyone gets wrong about AI and copywriting debate. They're trying to find own answer, is a better or humans better? But the things that like asking, is a human better than a screwdriver? Better for what? Let me show you what the data actually reveal. First test, email sequence for the affiliate product launch, AI only copy 2.3% click-through rates and 0.8% conversion rate. Human only copy 4.1% click-through rate, 1.9% conversion rate. AI plus human hybrid 4.7% click-through rate, 2.1% conversion rate. The human copy crushed the AI only version, nearly double the conversion. But here's what interesting. When I looked at why the human copy performed better, it's calmed down the 3 things on emotional resonate. The human copywriter use specific language pattern that create anxiety and relieve the AI in the right sequence. The AI copy felt smooth but flat to unexpected angles. The human writer led with a story about a failed product launch. The AI led with benefits gets which on people actually read. 3. Natural rhythm. I read both out loud and the human copy just for better. The AI version was grammatically perfect but felt robotic when you are actually consumed it. Now the hybrid version, that's where it gets really interesting, and copywriter used AI to generate 10 different angles picked on the best 2, then rewrite them with human intuition and experience. Based on both words, cost breakdown, AI only $20 in API cost, human only $500, hybrid $250 plus $15 in AI cost. So the hybrid was half of the price of pure human copy but performed just as well, actually significantly better. Second test, high ticket sales landing pages. This is the where things got surprising. AI only copy 11.2% confidence rate, human only copy 9.8% confidence rate, 9.8% confidence rate, AI plus human hybrid 13.1% confidence rate. Wait, what? The AI beat the human. Here's the what happened. For landing page, especially in technical niches, AI accelerates the organizing information logically. It gets perfect feature benefits proof sequence. It don't get creative or cute. It just presents the value position clarity. The human copywriter ignorantly thought to be too creative. Added metaphors that confused people. But in the actual feature under storytelling, but again the hybrid on the human took AI logical structure and added synthetic emotional triggers at key decision points. Things like urgency, social proof, placement, and risk reveal language that AI just does not necessarily prioritize. Here's a specific example. A right joined 10,000 plus businesses using our platform, generic right. The human reader changed it. It joined 10,000 plus businesses who switched from competitor name to the cut their workflow time by 40%. Same social proof, but now it's specific, competitive, and quantified. The on change alone increased conversion by 1.7%. That's reminding me of when I failed at my whirlwind CPA project back in 2023. I thought I know what people needed, but I built when I thought was valuable and it completely flopped. The lesson? Don't assume, test, validate, let me data tell you the truth. Same thing here. I assumed human copywriters would win everything. The data said otherwise, and that's uncomfortable but necessary. Third test, Facebook and Instagram ad copy. A only copy 1.9% CTR, 2.80 CTA human only copy 3.2% CTR, 1.90 bucks CPA, AI plus human hybrid 3.8% CTR, 1.67 bucks CPA for short form social ads. Humans dominated. Why? Because great ad copy is about stopping the scroll. It's about pattern interruption. It's about saying something nobody else is saying. AI generated compliment, safe, benefits focused copy, but it was interesting. It don't make you stop. It human copywriter write things like, I wasted 4,000 on Facebook ads before I learned this own thing. That's a hook. That's stop thumbs. AI write, discover proven Facebook advertising strategies to grow your businesses. But here's the real insight. AI was incredible at generating volume. I could get 50 variations in 10 minutes. The human copywriter picked the 5 best AI hooks, then rewrite them with personality and ads. That's hybrid approach give us the best CTR and lowest cost per acquisition. The pattern is become clear, right? After spending $5,000 and analyzing all this data, here's the honest conclusion. AI is the brilliant junior copywriter. It's fast, it's safe, it's understands structure, and it can generate volume. Humans are senior editors and studies. They understand psychology, they feel language, rhythm, and they know when to break the rules. The future is not AI or human. It's a AI plus humans working together. Here's my exact framework now. It's 2026. Step 1. Use AI to generate 10 to 20 variations of copy. Different angles, different hooks, different structure. Step 2. Human reads them all and identifies the 2 to 3 with the most potential. Step 3. Human read those 2 to 3 adding emotional intelligence, personality and strategic psychology. Step 4. Test them, let the data decide. That's the approach is 60% faster than pure human copywriting. 70% cheaper than hiring a copywriter for everything platforms just as well. Often better than either method alone, but here's what you cannot do. Just copy, paste an AI output and expect it convert. I tried that, it got the worst result every single time. You know what's funny? That's why experiment remind me of when I used to build things from spare parts as a kid in Jasper. I did take a broken mobile phone battery, same wire, and the old components and create something new. No fancy, no expensive, but it worked. That's what the hybrid approach is. You are not choosing between the expensive human or the cheap AI. They are combining both to create something better than either alone. Okay, so what do actually do this with information? If you are just starting out and have no budget, use AI for everything, but spend time learning copywriting fundamentals yourself so you can edit it properly. Free AI tools plus your growing knowledge will get you 70% of way there. If you have a medical budget, $200 to $500 a month, use the hybrid approach, generate with AI, hire a copywriter on Upwork or Fiverr for 1 to 2 hours to polish your best variation. This is the sweet spot for ROI. If you are running serious campaign with real budget, hire an experienced copywriter have them use AI as part of their process. Any copywriter who refuses to work with AI in 2026 is like a designer who refuses to use Photoshop. It's just a tool. The specific tools I use: Claude for long form copy, emails, landing pages; ChatGPT for brainstorming hooks and angles; Gemini Advanced for research and completed analysis; Grammarly and Hummingway for human editing. And here's the pro tip: always A/B test. Don't assume your hybrid copy will win. Sometimes pure human wins. Let your audience tell what resonates. Look, I know this video was data heavy, but that's the point. In 2026, we cannot afford to make decisions based on hype or fear. AI is not going to replace copywriters, but copywriters who use AI are going to replace copywriters who don't. If you found this video valuable, do me a favor, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need to see it. Subscribe if you want more honest, data-driven digital marketing content. No hype, no awareness as promised, just real experience with real money and real result. And drop a comment. Are you using AI for copywriting yet? If yes, what's your workflow? If no, what's holding you back? I read every comment and I'll resonate and I will respond with specific advice. I am also going to drop a link in the description to free resource, my exact AI prompts for copywriting that I use to those tests. You can use them, modify them, make them your own. Remember, the best copy is not written by AI or human. It's written by whatever understand the audience better. Sometimes that's a machine analyzing the data. Sometimes that's a human feeling the emotional plus. Most of the time, it's both working together. I am Rishajit Roy from the Maximum Marketing. Keep testing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next on. Bye.